Hey, what's going on, guys? The paddle I want to talk about today is the new Wilson Vesper Power 14mm. I have to say, this is one of the best looking paddles out there. The aesthetic of this paddle is awesome. The logo placement and the overall design on the face of the paddle looks very simple and classy. The handle shape is very comfortable and it's shaped like a tennis racket handle, which makes it very easy to rotate in the hand. The paddle is advertised as a power paddle, but to me it feels more like an all-core leaning power unless there is a breaking period, and we can only know by just keep playing with the paddle and we'll see if it has any changes. It does has a lot of pop. The grip is very fine to the touch, but it does generate really good spin. The paddle comes $249.99 and it goes down to $224.99 with a 10% discount code available in Pickleball Warehouse, which is where I bought the paddle. Let's talk about some of the paddle specifications. The average weight on the paddle is 8.1 ounces. That's exactly what mine was. The grip circumference is 4 and 1/8 inches. The handle length is 5.25 inches, and the shape of the paddle is 16.5 inches length by 7.5 inches. Core thickness of the paddle is 14mm, and it is an edgeless paddle. It is USAP approved. Important details on the construction of the paddle. It has raw carbon fiber heating surface with a fiberglass base layer to maximize power while maintaining control. Longer handle size for two-handed backhands. First of its kind bladder molded carbon fiber frame. It has ISO chamber technology, which utilizes foam to completely isolate the honeycomb core from the frame, with the result of a huge sweet spot and enhanced control. It has free flex throat. Molded open throat design enhances speed and maneuverability, and also introduce bending as a new paddle performance characteristic. Now let's talk about some pros and cons on the paddle. We're gonna start with the pros. The quality of the paddle feels premium. It's a fully molded handle and generate great spin. Fast, really fast in the hands, in the net. It's really nice to have it. Now the cons. The indented frame edges make it really hard to put any kind of weighted tape. I personally, the handles feels a bit short for two-handed backhands in my opinion. The face of the paddle feels small due to the long throat. A more important point is the price. You know, for $250, there's many better options for the same price and even lower price. But it's up to you. You know, if I see somebody using the paddle, I will not be surprised because it is a good paddle. My only problem is hard to recommend based on the price. Well, guys, that's all for today. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, sharing the video, and subscribing. Thank you.